What is up, YouTube? YXL back with another video. In this video, it's going to be super quick. I'm just going to be showing you how to hide your Windows taskbar at the bottom of your screen. Maybe you're trying to do a screen recording and you just don't want that right there. And this is how you get rid of it. So follow me. All right, so the first thing you want to do is go down to your taskbar with your mouse and you want to right click. You want to go to settings, and then once you get into settings, you want to automatically hide this. So what that's going to do, whenever you click something that's not the taskbar, it's going to magically disappear. And then when you want it to come back, obviously you just go down and hover over it. And then there you go. If this video helped you out, please slam the like button, subscribe to the channel if you are new, share the video with somebody you might know that wants to do this as well. If it didn't help you out, if you don't like my face, you can hit the dislike button. That works also. Till next time, it's your boy, and I'm out. Peace.